Welcome to Beverly Hills here in L.A., California.
Magandang people.
Thank you for welcoming us.
Oh my God, our pleasure.
And Tito and Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
I'm the official cook today.
The official cook. Thank you for
Nandun yung pako, pero mamaya.
Ano na kaya? Madami yung nag-shoot eh.
Kasi makikita rin nila yan dyan.
Sino kaya?
Pero hindi sabihin na mayabang.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So ang ating destination for today ay US, no? Sa LA, California in the United States. So dahil ngayon ay Eid holidays, no? Ay naisipan namin ng mga friends ko na bumalik, no, sa United States. So this is the second time na pupunta kami sa Amerika. So ang aming destination ay sa LA in California. So, I'm heading now to the airport. So, naka-ready ni aking gamit. So, see you at the airport. Bye! So, dito kami ngayon. Anxiety!
No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it.
Hi! So, we just arrived here at Sahig, Misson. We're here at Frankfurt, Germany, together with Elaine and Maya. So, we have connecting flight from Frankfurt to New York City, then after New York to LA. Hi guys, so we just arrived here at Germany, here in Frankfurt. Frankfurt to New York City. So we are waiting for that train going to Terminal 1.
Be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I have a strawberry
Please hold on for handle. Diese Skyline bringt Sie zu Terminal 1, Bereiche A, B und Z.
So nag-order kami ng famous na sausage here in Frankfurt, Germany. Yeah. Order kami with hot chocolate and sausage with
same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Want you to know the silence so loud, I'm running out of patience. I need your love, babe. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why.
just arrived at JFK. Hagard. Touchdown, New York. So we're going to check in for our local flights from JFK to LA.
Me and my friends are waiting in line, sharing one last blue camel. Don't have any money, but we're going out. Yeah, we saved up every penny. I'm smiling at him in the blue shirt and the car.
touchdown JF Kennedy here at New York City. So, katadating lang namin here in JFK or John F. Kennedy International Airport here in the United States. And meron kami local flight, domestic flight from New York going to LA or Los Angeles, California. So, ang total flight hours ay 5 hours going to LA. So, see you LA and pupunta tayo tomorrow sa Disneyland. So, marami tayong mga tourist destination or attractions na pupuntahan in LA. So, tomorrow, i-tour ko kayo. So, see you in LA. So, this is our boarding gate. So, gate 20 going to LA.
Right before the dawn. Don't have any money, but this is the life, and we never want to grow up. I'm kissing him in the blue shirt and the Converse, but I'm thinking about you.
So, we're here finally at Los Angeles, California. Enter namin yung bag namin. Here at Belgium.
I'm chain smoking, broken.
Welcome to Los Angeles, California.
So I'm crying.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, we're here at LA, California together with
Sabora
Tita.
family. That's Sabora family.
Thank you for welcoming us, Tita.
Oh my God, our pleasure.
And
You're
Tito,
most
and
welcome.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Kain tayo
You're always
patay.
welcome to our kubo.
With Tito, making
Hello.
Bistek.
I'm the official
Bistek
cook
Tagalog.
today.
the official cook. Thank you for cooking.
Nandun yung taho, pero mamaya na pag gano'n.
And Tita.
Yeah. Pag nakalag mamaya.
So let's enjoy our breakfast.
Pad Thai, sticky rice. Sa iba yan. Are? Hala, my favorite.
Dukay, baliktad ka.
Ang pagkakatuan na mo dahil
So our breakfast is
sticky rice.
sticky rice
Ang mga pagkaon, sinabi ko nga
with
karakter mo. Pero sabi ko talaga wala silang
milk.
kain. Ahon pa mga super dumpling.
Gata.
Very authentic. Ay,
Baliktad kami.
super sarap.
Ako kasi ang tiwala ako kuminam. Dukay ko
And-
kayo.
Di ba may explore? Pero
We
ito,
have bad time.
Galing yan.
bagong open, yung super dumpling. Parang ano talaga from China. Yeah, cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Alam mo, iba-iba
Ano yan?
dito. May mga ano, may mga grapes. Alam mo, meron pa tong lalagyanan, kaya lang ayoko ng kunin.
Grapes flavor. Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
You video her, I video you. And Tito video us. Kinuha na mo siya, kinukuha na kita, kinukuha na tayo.
Okay. Sabihin mo na, this one are,
No, Pampam, you know, you can talk and
Okay.
then si
yeah, this is available only in California. Portos Bakery. This one are potato balls. They have meat inside.
Okay.
And this is leche mama. What they call
Dulce
this?
de leche.
Dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche.
And this is the most popular one, the cheese roll.
Okay.
And this is guava.
Guava?
And then pineapple.
Like guava jam inside.
Yeah, inside the guava pudding. This is pineapple and strawberry. So these are all from Portos, and these are just some of their products. Actually, the owner is human immigrant, husband and wife, immigrated here years ago, and they put up a small bakery in Pasadena, I think, and then it grew up to, I think they have like 10 branches now, scattered in southern California area.
Okay.
So in other words, these are, I hope you like it.
So Tito, which one is best recommended?
Well, all of them are good, you know. All of
Potato
them are really good. Potato balls, and you should try this also, no? Potato balls. There's meat inside.
There's shrimp, there's fish,
Yeah, beef.
there's
no?
beef.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. You have to try each.
So this potato balls,
Yeah, dulce de leche,
dulce de leche,
cheese roll,
guava,
strawberry and pineapple.
strawberry and pineapple. So let's take
Yeah, mamaya tagi.
one. Hindi ka na.
Yung potato balls, merong meat sa loob, ah.
May, can you taste one?
They have beef inside, huh? Beef. This one? Yeah. Potato balls.
Actually, my beef, my fish, my shrimp.
Oh, meron. Iba.
Ikaw na. Share na tayo. Hindi ako lang.
Okay.
Actually yan, potato yung surrounding yan.
Yeah, potato. Saka
Yan,
tapos yung crumbs.
sarap yan. Ako.
Sana binidyo mo.
Very
yeah.
good.
Then tell me what's the taste. It tastes good.
Sarap yan.
Delicious.
Potato.
How about you? What can you say about the portos? It's called portos, right?
Yeah. P-O-R-T-O-S.
Yummy.
Kain ka rin din, ha?
now,
Apa,
I'm gonna go and remove my abaya. and
masarap ta?
We can go.
Oh, masarap yan.
Ano kaya?
Lahat yan masarap.
So,
Paano
what
kaya?
else?
Magsasaing ako ngayon or mamaya?
Daling ko doon.
Magsasaing.
Mamaya na.
Daling ko doon.
You think so?
Wala, pwede na rin yan. Pwede na.
Kasi
Anyway,
madami.
Madami.
Yeah, gawin ko na lang.
Portos.
Kasi lang marunong.
So let's try the portos. Originated in Mexico.
Ano yan? Manok. Tapos nag-order ako ng lumpiang prito.
Yung raceable.
Sarap yun. Pritong lumpia.
Oo, naglalakad mo. Maglalakad tayo.
Masarap. Para siya ano, kumbaga siopaw na may palaman. No?
Ganun, yeah.
It's
Their
portos.
version.
Lalo naman ang supo sa floor.
Hindi, kasi may palaman siya.
Version ng Cuban.
Yeah,
Dami
Ano mo
sana.
din?
I'll recommend later. I will try it later.
Pwede yun. Ay, opening dollar.
Alam pa?
Opening dollar.
English ka na.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, no.
Ano kaya pag yung kada ano puro ka yes, yes, no? Pati yung dapat hindi yes, yes ka.
Nahuli na po.
Ay, naku, madaming manonood nun dahil matatawa sila.
Joy, joy.
Si Joy Joy, si Joy Joy.
Si JJ. Sa Cocomelon si JJ.
Libangan lang naman po ito, tsaka yung memories pa. Pag nag-travel po,
Oo, yan.
pagka ano, babalikan ko lang sa
Babalikan
YouTube.
pag yung matanda ka na, no?
Nakapost ko sa
ay,
YouTube.
Tapos nanonood ka ng movie. Oh, I've been there.
Marami po kaming vlogs nito, nasa YouTube, mga travel naman.
Ah, talaga? Ano yung pangalan nyo sa YouTube?
Ito ano, Earlyseven. Road Earlyseven ka, di ba?
Road Earlyseven.
ROD?
ROD, Earlyseven. In English ko lang po yung ano ko, apelido ko. Agapito. Aga, Early, 7. Para ano mo, US. American.
Bangladesh.
Kaya, para magandang social pack niya, Road Earlyseven. Pagka naman po ano, Rodel, ano, Hampas Lupa, Rodel Strike Land.
Galing ya.
Naku, ma-catch mo yung mga viewers mo. Diyos ko,
Hindi pa.
ipa-follow ka na talaga nila.
Ito, may YouTube din po ito.
Ay, ano naman yung sa'yo, May?
Ganda lang.
Galing ya.
Charot na rin natin.
Charot!
Diyan ang namin hanggang doon lang. Wala na iba. Ang dami na punta. Visual kasi yan di mag-edit.
Ay,
Ganun na lang.
very
Pero matapos na
stressful
kami.
daw eh. Very stressful daw yung pag-edit.
Buko nanti.
Totoo ba?
Number 1 priority nanti sleep.
Sana all.
Di ba, Del?
Ang title po ng YouTube niya, ganda lang ang katapan.
Lison kasi.
Puntik na mabuga.
Ang dami na namin vlog. Ay, vlog.
Hindi niya pa na-audit yung Georgia.
Grabe.
Yung New York.
Hanggang ngayon, anong huling nilagay mo sa Georgia o Singapore pa ilang years ago?
Ito, this is the nip hut of Auntie here in California. Auntie, this is what you call the nipa hut here in California. So, this is the nipa hut. This is... Oh, yun o, may sala. Wow! With the dining. Maya.
Pero hindi masyado gano'n dito.
Sa amin na.
Oh, sure.
Oh,
Wow. Ito po yung bahay namin dito sa California. Wow! Sige po, tita. Hindi naman kayo kay tita. Wow. And ito yung... Wow, full of chocolates. Ate, nagkaampon ba kaya? Joke.
kung pwede kayo tumira dito.
Okay na po. Wow, this is the collection of tita. Another. Wow.
Sana all. Sana all.
7. Channel. Channeling. Channel brand.
Pero sa Paris to nabili kasi wala na dito.
Hindi.
Alam mo si ate mo dyan, siguro mga ilan yung ganyan. Pag nakita mo yung bag, para kang nasa shopping mall. Sa dami ng Hermes.
Hermes, live show po tayo ngayon.
Ginagawa mo.
Pamay na.
Kamay pala, no?
Okay, Hermes.
Sana all.
Tapos ito,
Sana all. Sana all.
Yung anak niya, pera.
Sana all.
ay, ito, Balenciaga.
Ito po, si Gary. Balenciaga.
Si Gary.
Made in.
Kumain na lang, pamain
Oh,
na lang.
hawakan nyo naman.
Sige, hawakan mo. Magkano ka maghawakan mo?
Ano nyo, manifest.
Manifest.
Ang ganda, no?
Na ano ako, nadidistract ako sa picture.
Mahal nga. Mahal talaga yan.
So, this is another
Italian brand na siya.
Hermes.
Sana all.
Sa atin,
Ito yung Birkins. Birkins, Evelyn. Ano to? Yung Louboutin. Christian Louboutin.
mahal din yan. Halos din yan.
Louboutin.
Iba yung Louis Vuitton. Iba yung Louis Vuitton. Ito yung Christian Louboutin.
Christian. May lumutan sa ano. Lupot.
House of Billionaire nga.
Hermes.
It should have been you. Another time.
Hi, baby. Bye-bye.
Crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place. I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.